And the race on Lakota Creek Raggedy from the outside is Golden Angge. My boy Paulo in the middle, moving up down on the inside is Winning Bid to take the lead. Winning Bid. And on the outside is Raggedy. Lakota Creek, may bukas pa. Down on the inside is Backyard B-Boy, running in 6.5, a Golden Angge. Alongside is my boy Paulo, Rolling Thunder, Hot Shot, and Flying Hope is the early trailer. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Winning Bid this time by some 3 lengths. Raggedy, Lakota Creek's racing in third, and rushing up by the Backyard B-Boy, may bukas pa alongside is Golden Angge. My boy Paulo fourth last by the rally Hot Shot, Rolling Thunder, Flying Hope. Working towards the back, Raggedy is now the leader, followed by Lakota Creek, may bukas pa, Golden Angge is racing in fourth. Backyard B-Boys down in fifth, and rushing up now is entry number 1, Rolling Thunder. Rounding the far turn, Raggedy, Lakota Creek, Golden Angge, Rolling Thunder, racing from the outside, Flying Hope, as they race the final corner. Raggedy from the outside, Lakota Creek, Rolling Thunder from the outside, Golden Angge, and nearing the last 200 meters more to run, Rolling Thunder from the outside, Lakota Creek down on the inside, and nearing the finish line, Rolling Thunder and Lakota Creek by the rail, and finally from the stable of Mr. Poots Puyat, Rolling Thunder, Lakota Creek, Hot Shout, Golden Angge.
Okay, crossing the